This is a different size plate here. You can put here with the whole rows. And this part is can adjust the weight for the plate. And today we adjust the weight is 1 meter. And when you use it, you can adjust it according here. And this one is we call the leveling shaft, leveling rows. And come to here, this kind we call it the pressed and the pulling shaft, and we also call it the accounting cost. And accounting the shaft section is you can check how many pieces, and how many lengths for the plate, and you can pulling the plate come to forward, then cutting it. This part and this shaft, the section is for adjust the depth for the side, the side rows. And this part is for the adjust to the rows. This section is for the ruling. The ruling, how to adjust it from this way, from this part. This is feeding the materials inside. Then this is cutting. Now it's working. We set 500 millimeter this time. The ruler. You can see this, the side rows and the whole rows. This is 500 millimeter. This part is the